Sabula chokike kemola, sabulaya, sabulaya kemola, sabulaya, sabula chokike kemola, sabulaya, sabulaya kemola, sabulaya. I hope most of you understand that. If you know the plots of the enemies, but for God, what would we have done? And that is why, if you are from equal ethnic nationality, if you are from Rivers State, if you are from any of our local government, you will always continue to thank God for us. Let me also say, yesterday, I never mentioned anybody's name. I said the Buccaneers and vampires will be told to leave the party so that we, the real committed members of the party, will rebuild our party. I never said anybody except you group yourself as a Buccaneer or a vampire. So I never called anybody's name. By their fruits, we shall know them. I also said, and I thank and commend the people of our local government for standing firm to support the Southern Presidency. I did say, as one of the apostles of power shift, I maintain it has nothing to do with my party. It has to do with the unity of Nigeria. It has to show the oneness of Nigeria. And that is why I commend the APC governors who came out boldly to say, despite the fact that they are in power, they said, look, this country, we are all one. This country must continue to be one. And if that is to be the case, power has to shift to the south. I commend them. So whether you voted for Obi, you voted for Suwaju, I have no problem with any of you. As far as you stood for Southern presidency. But this one we are going on Saturday is one that is our own permanently. And the number of you, Ababu Azhar, David Azhar, Emma was a one Azhar. This one of 18th is only umbrella. It's only what? Umbrella. We are finished with Obi. We are finished with Asuwaju. What we are now doing is Rivers State. And Rivers State is umbrella. Rivers State is umbrella. So, we are in Germany. So, there you now new voters, ballot papers, and new label in Germany. And the number of who? And the Germany, umbrella, and Biaka, umbrella. So I appeal to all of us. All these are strong wrestlers. Women, I know we have that day. Throw shot. Make sure that nobody, with the kind of women I saw here, no man will need to go and carry ballot box. We have very strong women who are equal to the tax. So dress like this that day. Stay in your polling units and make sure higher blood may vote in Germany. And the number of coup. Nde mama, nde wore, Adobiko, on Saturday, not tomorrow, the other Saturday. From tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, on Saturday, our own day, 18th of March, and that's Noro, 7:30, and then putting you channels. I'm gonna come out piano, umbrella. And that I'm a cooking umbrella. I'm cooking. I'm buying a biaka. I'm coming no Korean. And Mecca. And then we're Osagiri. So, it's very clear. So, and that is why I have said, why you have to vote for umbrella, why you have to vote for similarity, why you have to vote for our sister Josina Amaechi, Mosaic House of Assembly, may man represent at least all Nayadoro no Kundiri Yoka, Cab has no assembly. So that too, I'm on the way next 2 months. The person that be able to similar Fubara and Ongozo, you make sure the contractor finish the road. So, all of us will do duty. The result will last Saturday or the other time. Also, I'm too comfortable. Also, I'm comfortable at all. But because of this Southern presidency, but all the care willing now, I don't go to every vote today. I'm gonna lobby on one basket, bodoku, umbrella, bodoku, in training, because also Basoas, similar Fuwara, you finish the roads, now condition, is first 100 days in the office. But let me also use this opportunity to tell ourselves, some of you may not have been born. Some of the youth who are here may not have known what happened. Pray. Instead of you to have a bad child, can you make a way? Instead of you to have a bad child, say, God, I don't need a child. Because you can't suffer for 9 months. If you don't want to work, I check the bench in Yaka. If you bring water, say, Calvary. 50-something years ago, what we have forgotten, we have been living peacefully with our brothers and sisters in Igbo. We have been living peacefully, doing businesses peacefully. We have never had any recourse to begin to bring back what most of you, at that time, we are not born. When you have a child who wants to destroy your home, to open up old wounds, at this time in Nigeria, in River State, is a terrible thing. Trying to put us and our Igbo brothers to put our heads at loggerheads so that we continue to fight. God will not allow us to fight. We will continue to live in peace because we are all together. The Igbos have been here doing businesses with us. We intermarry and do everything. So we are all one. Our son was governor for 8 years. He didn't do anything. Not because he's a bad son who wants to destroy. He has now brought back what everybody has forgotten. Talking about abandoned property. I'm sure our Igbo brothers know is a big liar, is a destroyer. Why did he not, when he was governor for 8 years, why did he not do it? You are now bringing one who does not know how to speak his language, whom we are prosecuting for stealing our $50 million US to come and do what everybody has forgotten. When he was running for president, he said he believed in a certain president. Because they did not give him the ticket, he abandoned the southern president and now supporting the northern president. More job, more job. I have never seen a thing like this. He said he loves the Igbo people. But Obi was running now. He refused to support Obi. Now he has failed and come back. He now wants the Igbos to give him support and begin to make promise something he knows he cannot. Satan, you can't. Satan, you cannot. This, we will not go back to that era of fighting with anybody. We continue to live in harmony, do business together with our brothers and sisters. Whichever place you come and stay here, we are all brothers and sisters. So I felt I should let you know this, that a vote for Toyo Cole is a vote for division of Rivers State. A vote for Toyo Cole is a vote in order not to return our $50 million US. And God will not allow us to vote for such people. We are prosecuting them. They want to run away from prosecution. They cannot. They cannot. See what we have done within this few period. Like Chief Awuse will say, some of my colleagues may have traveled overseas to rest and enjoy. What am I resting when my job has not ended? When my people have not gotten the best they should get? And that is why I have to be here. To do whatever it matters, to improve our lives, to make sure you go to farm and bring their farm produce. That is what it's supposed to be. Because when it was my time, you never went to farm. You came out to vote for me. Why should I now travel to go and rest when you have not gotten the roads to go to the farm? I will also stay with you, as you stayed with me when I needed you most. So,
thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.